Do you have problems with your visibility driving in rains? What if I show you how to fix it from this to this? All of that right out of this short intro. Coming up. Welcome back to my channel to yet another fresh episode. My name is Rahil. I make auto DIY tips and tricks and tech review videos. So if you're new here, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. Now in India, we have tropical monsoon, which greatly affects the visibility while driving a car, which is also a safety hazard. To solve this issue, I've got this Rain-X water repellent from Amazon. Now let's apply it on my car and see if it works or no. Now you have to first clean the windshield and dry it, and to get the best possible results you have to first prepare the windshield, and to do that I will use some rubbing alcohol to clean this windshield so that it is free from all dirt and debris. The best thing about this is it does not leave any residue after cleaning. It is not necessary to use isopropyl alcohol, you can just do without it. Just make sure the windshield is clean and dry. Now for the sake of comparison, I have divided my car's windshield into two halves. This side is going to be Rain-X treated and that side is going to be untreated. Now the instruction says clean and thoroughly dry surfaces before treating. Apply in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. No, I'm kidding. That's not the proper way to measure it. Also, this product is not made in India. It's an imported product. I believe it's made in Houston, Texas. This is a folded microfiber cloth. Some amount of Rain-X on it, and here we go. Use circular overlapping movements and make sure you work in one small area at a time so that you coat the entire surface evenly. Now once you are done, wait for some time till you see some haze forming up and use a paper towel or a microfiber cloth to clean that haze till your windshield becomes shiny clean. And now the moment of truth, water beading test. Look at the way how the water just slides easily on the Rain-X side compared to the other. So this is definitely showing positive results. Now since my Tigor is a compact sedan, it doesn't come with rear wipers. So in that case, this will come handy at the rear glass and also the window glass. Also this rear view mirror. Also the headlamps. Also my helmet visor. Some of it on my camera lens too. I'm kidding, that's not happening. Now this one single bottle is enough to complete the entire car and also my helmet visor. So in the end, this is how it looks. The water just beads up. This improves the visibility to a great extent. So this is the before where the visibility is bad, and now the after where the water beads up as droplets of water, like as if it is floating on wax. And let me show you what happens if I speed up. So now I'm at 60 kilometers per hour and the water drops are just sliding upwards. I don't even need to use the wiper that often now. Even the wiper blade noise has gone away completely as Rain-X has made this glass smooth to the touch. I even did highway cruising at speeds like 100 to 120 kilometers per hour in heavy rains, and I did not use the wiper as I did not need them at all. While the other cars on the road had wipers set to full speed, moving like crazy. However, at speeds like 40 kilometers per hour, you need to use wiper just to take away those small droplets. Now I don't know exactly for how long this thing is going to last on my windshield. I will update you guys on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is @alil_rahil. For 500 rupees, this is definitely worth it. The product link is in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you know any product which is better than this, then make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I will try it out. Now I wanted some extra rain effect, so I went ahead and applied a second layer of this. Now this bottle is still half full even after going through 2 passes of it. So that means I can use this bottle 2 times on my car. That depends on how many layers you apply basically. So that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Hit the like button if you did so. Share this video with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.